The UK's economic growth came to a halt in July, a significant slowdown after a period of strong expansion in the first half of the year. This zero growth figure, reported by the Office of National Statistics, has raised concerns about the country's economic momentum and presents a serious challenge for Chancellor Rachel Reeves. The services and construction sectors saw marginal growth, but this was offset by a sharp decline in production. This stagnation, which follows a 0.4% expansion in June, has dashed hopes for a continued robust economic recovery. The flattening of the economy is placing immense pressure on Rachel Reeves and the Labour government's promises to kickstart the economy. Business groups are specifically blaming her recent policy changes for the slowdown. They argue that the £25 billion increase in employer national insurance contributions, which came into force in April, has put a brake on the growth. This tax hike, coupled with a significant rise in the national living wage, has been criticized for increasing costs for businesses and dampening investment. As a result, the Chancellor is widely expected to present a challenging budget on November 26, which may include further tax increases to compensate for an anticipated downgrade in the Office for Budget Responsibilities economic forecasts. Adding to the economic woes, this surprising surge in inflation, which jumped to 3.8% in July, its highest level since January of 24. This uptick in the cost of living comes just weeks after the Bank of England cut interest rates to 4%. The unexpected rise in inflation has caused investors to scale back their expectations for further interest rate cuts in the short term. The bank's Monetary Policy Committee, which is scheduled to meet next, is now widely expected to keep interest rates on hold at 4%. This combination of stagnant growth and rising inflation, known as stagflation, makes the economic landscape particularly difficult to navigate, leaving policymakers with a complex balancing act between supporting growth and controlling prices. That's all for this quick update. Thank you for watching.